Hello, this is a MagicBase Pro instructional video about how to use customer categories. Now, customer categories allow you to separate your customers even while they're all saved within the same database. For example, in this database, I've got restaurant customers, corporate customers, schools, entertainment agencies, and at various times I may need to separate them out because I may want to send an email or a newsletter just to one particular type of customer. So that's what customer categories will do for you. This is where they're found. On the Customers tab, there are four mini tabs. The first tab says Stats, and there's a label there called Customer Type. If you click into it, you'll see a list of all of the various customer types that I've put into this database. Now you can define whatever you want here. You can add or remove these customer types, although MagicBase will come with some customer types preloaded. Now there's another type of category on the label field. Down below there's two categories called List 1 and List 2. If you click into them, you'll see that each of them has got various customer categories also. Now you don't type in the categories here on these fields. You do that on the Preferences screen. So you go to Prefs, choose Lists, and this will display all of the locations of all of the lists on MagicBase Pro. Each of these tabs refers to a different screen in MagicBase, a routine screen, a marketing screen. So if you go to the customer list, you'll see that it shows that there are three types of category fields. Customer type, and this blue arrow shows you which tab to select on the customer screen. And the customer list, and this blue arrow also shows you where they can be found. And it's the same on all of these screens. So this is where you type in the information. For example, right now I've got customer type of corporate 1. Let's say that I want to remove that. All I have to do is just click on the Remove tab, click OK, and it will be gone. And as you can see, all of the customer types are in here. So if I ever want to enter a type in here, I can just delete the field that's on there. That doesn't actually delete it from the customer type, but then I can just type in whatever customer type that I want, click on Add to the list, and it will be added automatically. So then it will appear alphabetically in the list. So we've got the customer type of corporate is already predefined in here, and under customer list category 1, we've got the customer type of bank already defined. We'll use those for this demonstration. So I'll go back to my customer screen, and I've got all of these customers listed here, okay, and what I want to do is to find just the corporate customers. So I click on the Find button, go to my customer type field, choose corporate, and then choose Go. Now we've found 136 records that are just corporate customers. If I click on the List button, they'll all be listed here, and I can sort them all out here. Okay. Now let's say I just want to find the bank customers. So I'll go back to the screen, click on the Label tab, and now I'm going to search for bank, but I want to just search within the subset of 136 records, just in case I've got any records that are listed as bank that are not listed as corporate. So I'm going to search in a subset. That's what these two lines beneath the word find mean. It means if I hold down the Shift key and click on Find, now I'm going to search the subset of 136 records. So I go to my Label tab, I choose Bank, and click on Go. So now from those 136 records has been narrowed down to 7 bank customers, and here they all are. So now if I want to send them an email newsletter or some other type of mailing, I can do that because they're selected as a subset. And you can tell that a subset is selected because the words action set appear right here, and right down here it says the current action set is just 7. So that's how you use customer categories to organize and sort your customers.